Hi and welcome to this week's project. So I didn't get the bandsaw box quite finished. It's nearly there. You'll see it in behind here, but it's not quite finished yet, and it's not really a project I can rush. It takes time. So obviously it's not going up this week, possibly next week. God, I'm hoping it'll be next week. Anyway, so I've got a resin art project for you today. I'm going to do this in real time, I think, apart from mixing resins and stuff like that, but the actual pour, because it'll be quite short, but I'm going to overlay it with with a bit of music, so rather than talking, because sometimes when I'm doing resin art I actually do forget to talk, so I'm just going to overlay it with a bit of music, but it will be in real time. It's something totally different here. You will see this particular project, I think, if it comes out as I imagine in my head, you will see it again within the next couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm just going to basically mix the pots and everything up, and then I shall take you down to the table and I'll show you the colours that I'm going to be using and talk a little bit about the style that I'm going for this time. Right, that's us down at the table now. So I've got quite a large canvas, this one today, and I'm going for, this is neon yellow, paradise blue, chocolate brown, forest green, vibrant pink and silver. So these colours are the colours I'm going to be using in this one. I'm going to be measuring them out into just little pots, basically, adding the colour in, and then I'm going to be pouring them on top of each other into one cup. And that's where the design of this has come from. This is not unique to me. I've seen it somewhere and really fancy trying it. I like the finished result if it comes out right. I haven't seen it done in the resin. I've seen it done with paints, but we're going to see how this gets on today and see if we can make something quite nice and colourful with a slightly different edge. The background on this, I'm going to be looking for sort of a white background on it, so there's this stream of colour, and then with just a white background. So I'm not quite sure, until I actually sort of start pouring, I'm not sure how all that will go.
We're sitting here, oh so silent, and you won't dare to speak your mind. I wanna cry, but keep on smiling, trying to be brave when I'm in the dark. You and me just goes by, yeah, you and I are running out, running out. Time goes by, I change my mind about you and I, you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge. You make me feel so much better. Promise to love you forever. That's why I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, promise you, oh promise you. Time goes by, oh precious time. Wait just 1 minute. Time goes by, I think I thought it out, it out. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know my heart's on the edge. 'Cause I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. 'Cause nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you. You make me feel so much better. Promise to love you always forever. I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna grow old with you. Yeah. Nobody loves you like I do. That I can promise you, oh promise you.
Okay, well, I'm not quite sure what what this resin art means, but anyway, I just went with it. Some of the bits came out as exactly as I'd hoped they would. The spiky bits I purposely went for. I don't know, I liked the look of the spiky bits. Did it come out entirely as I wanted? No, it didn't, but I do really like it. So I'm going to leave it at that. I don't know if this will be for everybody. But yeah, that's my resin art today, and I really hope you enjoyed.